If you love Hyatt, then this video is for you. We'll go over the reasons why if you're a Hyatt loyalist, then you should have one of these two credit cards. Let's go. Welcome back to Tito's Financial Corner, where we talk about credit cards, points and miles, as well as travel. Today, we're going to be talking about my favorite Chase transfer partner, and that would be Hyatt. Now, while I can transfer all of my Ultimate Reward points from Chase over to Hyatt, Hyatt does offer two credit cards, and that would be the World of Hyatt credit card as well as the World of Hyatt Business credit card. So you know what we do in this channel. We're gonna go ahead and throw both of these cards in the ring, let them have it for a few rounds, and then at the end, we're gonna go ahead and declare a winner. We're doing this for two reasons. The first reason is that we wanna know which card is better. And second is that your boy Tito is out in the market looking for a new credit card, and I think I'm ready to settle down on one of these two cards. But before we get to the fight, I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't mention that there's currently talks that Chase and Hyatt are in the works of creating a new Hyatt luxury travel credit card. This potential new card could have airport lounge access. This card could also have a higher tiered availability when it comes to the Hyatt status. This card could also offer better credits, albeit it would definitely have a higher annual fee. There's nothing concrete about this potential card, what benefits it could offer, or even when we can expect this credit card out in the market. With that said, we're only going to be taking a look at the current two available options that Hyatt has to offer. And the last thing before we get to the fight is that obviously one of these is a personal credit card, while the other is a business credit card. And before you automatically dismiss the business credit card, just know that it is not that difficult to get approved for a business credit card. There are multiple ways that you can get approved. You do not need hundreds of thousands of dollars already. You could just be in the starting stages and still get approved for a business credit card. You can check out how I got approved for my first business credit card on this video. I would also be remiss if I didn't mention that both the World of Hyatt credit card as well as the World of Hyatt business credit card do offer Hyatt status, and that would be that both of them would offer you Discoverist status, which is a level above the member status that anybody can get for free. Now, in order to achieve Discoverist status without either one of these two credit cards, you would need to have at least 10 Hyatt stays per year in order to get this status if you did not have either one of these two credit cards. So what kind of perks and benefits did you get by being a Discoverist with Hyatt? Well, you would get a free bottle of water every time you stay at a Hyatt. You would get premium internet, and most important of all, you could get room upgrades with this status. Now, how this works is that if you book your Hyatt stay, you could get a room upgrade up to a preferred room status within the same type of room that you already booked. All right, with that said, let's go ahead and get started with a fight. The first round would consist in the annual fee that both of these credit cards charge. Starting out with the World of Hyatt credit card, their annual fee is $95. Taking a look at the World of Hyatt business credit card, their annual fee is $199. So taking a look at both of these credit cards, the first round would definitely have to go to the World of Hyatt credit card because it offers a lower annual fee. This is a perfect time to remind you to hit that subscribe button as well as the like button to help out this channel. The second round would consist in the welcome bonus that both of these credit cards have to offer. Now, before we get onto those, I definitely want to mention that both of these credit cards offer two tiers when it comes to their welcome bonus. One welcome bonus is a straight minimum spending requirement, while the other is much more of a multiplier, where you would get 2 points per dollar spent and you would have to spend a ridiculous amount of money. For this specific round, we're only going to look at the minimum spending requirement to achieve the welcome bonus and what that welcome bonus would be. Starting out with the World of Hyatt credit card, their welcome bonus is 30,000 points after spending $3,000 in the first 3 months that you have this credit card. Taking a look at the World of Hyatt business credit card, their welcome bonus is 60,000 points after spending $5,000 in the first 3 months. So taking a look at both of these credit cards, even though it does have a higher minimum spending requirement, it does offer a higher welcome bonus. So we would have to give this round to the World of Hyatt business credit card. The next round would consist in the multipliers that both of these credit cards have to offer. Starting out with the World of Hyatt credit card, you would get 4 points per dollar spent at all of your Hyatt stays. You would then get 2 points per dollar on all transactions on transit, restaurants, airline tickets, as well as gym memberships. And then you would get 1 point per dollar spent on everything else. Taking a look at the World of Hyatt business credit card, you would get 2 points per dollar spent on your top 3 spending categories every single month. You would also get 4 points per dollar spent at all of your Hyatt stays, and you would also get 2 points per dollar spent on all gym memberships, and then you would get 1 point per dollar spent on everything else. So taking a look at the multipliers that both of these credit cards offer, while they're not the best by any means, they are some competitive multipliers, and just because you do have an opportunity to earn a higher multiplier, we would have to give this round to the World of Hyatt Business credit card. The next round would consist on if either of these two credit cards offer a free night certificate. When we're taking a look at most hotel credit cards, especially the ones with an annual fee, they usually come packed with a free night certificate. Not all of them, but quite a few of them. So starting out with the World of Hyatt Business credit card, unfortunately, this credit card does not offer a free night certificate. Taking a look at the World of Hyatt credit card, it does offer a free night certificate up to a Category 4 hotel every single year that you have this credit card. So with that being said, this round would definitely have to go to the World of Hyatt credit card. Now, as some of you have already seen, this is a vital point for all of my credit cards, and that is if they charge a foreign transaction fee. I absolutely hate foreign transaction fees. So when taking a look at both of these credit cards, I am happy to say that both of them do not charge a foreign transaction fee. So for that alone, both of these credit cards would get a point for this round. Then we would get into the perks and benefits that both of these credit cards have to offer. Starting out with the World of Hyatt credit card, you automatically receive 5 qualifying night credits to your account in order to achieve the next tier status. You would also receive 2 qualifying night credits for every $5,000 of spending that you put on this credit card. Taking a look at the World of Hyatt Business credit card, you can receive up to $100 worth of Hyatt statement credits, and that is broken down into 2 statement credits that you can receive every single year, which would essentially bring the effective annual fee down to $99. You can also earn 5 qualifying night credits for every $10,000 that you put on this credit card. So taking a look at both of these credit cards when it comes to their perks and benefits, just for the credit alone of $100, we would have to give this round to the World of Hyatt Business credit card. All right, let's tally up the points and see who won. When taking a look at the World of Hyatt credit card, it won 3 points. Taking a look at the World of Hyatt Business credit card, it won 4 points. So that's right. For this video, the World of Hyatt Business credit card won by the skin of their teeth. So the business credit card has won because of its higher welcome bonus, better multipliers, as well as credits to offset the annual fee, which makes sense. Now, does that mean that the World of Hyatt personal credit card is a bad credit card? Absolutely not. It is still a phenomenal credit card, a phenomenal card to have for the low annual fee of $95. It is absolutely great, specifically for the free night certificate. It has okay multipliers on it. They're not the worst, but by no means are they the best. But again, it does come packed with a Discover status if you're a Hyatt loyalist. With that said, I definitely want to hear from you guys. Do you prefer the World of Hyatt credit card or the World of Hyatt Business credit card? Let me know down in the comments below. With that said, if you found any information useful during this video, please hit that subscribe button as well as the like button. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next one. Adios.